Good evening, everybody. Family and Steve here once again. It is Monday the 18th. This evening I am going to be doing a video of this NOAA radio weather system that I have. And it is made by Eton. I have made a video of this one time before in the past. And so this is more or less of a revisit. I'm sure that I still have the original box to this. I don't have it on me right now. Actually, I think that I left it in storage when I got it out. Jordan posted a video of this just recently, and actually I think he has several of them. These are very handy devices. These are really good to have around the house. I know that I like to keep tabs with weather, and these are the best way to for getting weather updates. And these are the features that come with it. There's the power button. It even has an alarm clock. And these are the tunings for the stations. This is the back of it. This stupid phone is not wanting to focus. But that is just a warning manual. Nothing relevant. There's the compartment for the batteries. Doing this one-handed, I don't think that the tripod's gonna get the swell, so I'm just doing this with my hands. But anyway, this takes 3 AA batteries, and those are for mounting on the wall. Some may have them like on desktops or tables or whatever. So yeah, there's the antenna. I have not used this since I left my old location, and I think I may have had this for about a year now. I think it wasn't too long before I moved when I bought this. I got this from a Salvation store, and I remember walking around in there. And I think I saw 3 of these on the shelf, and I had never owned one before. I had never even seen one. Actually, I don't think I recall any family history whatsoever of seeing these in my house or my grandparents' house. We always got our weather coverage from the news or from the radio, but I do remember the NOAA National Weather Service channels that were on TV years ago, and so this is what motivated me to get this. I had seen videos of them. Wasn't exactly sure if it was going to come in handy, but once I started using it, I knew that this was really going to be a very handy thing to have. This is the adapter cord that came with it. The AC/DC adapter, Class 2 power supply, model YL3505015OD. and it draws 120 volts and 60 hertz. Made in China. Do not have any batteries with me as of right now, so I'll do the best I can with what I have here. This works really well. You can only pick up a very few stations back in Georgia where I was before. From what I've been told, a lot of people in this area have these, and they still have them. Actually, I have another one that's an even older model. So I have two of these, and I'll be making a video of that eventually. I got that from a Salvation store here too. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna plug this in, and I guess I'll give a show and tell on this. Okay, so the AC adapter, you insert it right there at the bottom. Okay, so now I have it plugged in. This came with a stand that goes in this little slot here in the back, but I don't know what I did with it. I should have it somewhere. I don't think that I left it in storage, but anyway, I'll just do the best I can with what I have here. But anyway, the device is plugged in, and there is the alarm clock there, and there is the setting for the alert. Okay, so these are the settings for the weather broadcasting alert. This even has an AM FM radio station too, by the way. And there is the memory. Let's see what we have with the weather broadcasting alert.
Coastal waters from Chincoteague to Terramore Island, Virginia, out 20 nautical miles tonight. Northwest winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts to 20 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet. Dominant period 7 seconds. Tuesday, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet. Dominant period 10 seconds. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Mainly east swell. Dominant period 11 seconds. Wednesday, north winds 5 knots, becoming east in the afternoon. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Mainly east swell. Dominant period 11 seconds. Wednesday night, south winds 5 knots. Winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts to 25 knots, becoming east 20 to 25 knots with gusts to 30 knots. Seas 6 to 7 feet, building to 7 to 9 feet.
Okay, let's see what I can do with. Let's see what I can do with the AM and FM radio setting here. Okay, so that's the tuning, of course. Okay, so you basically just set up your favorite stations here. turn it on AM. Okay, go ahead and turn that off. That sounds awful. Sorry about that, folks. Okay. I guess that is... that's the alarm. Memory. I really don't have this to where I can do all of the settings for the clock and whatnot, but if need be, if I can try to get my other tripod back out, maybe one day I can do a revisit of this and do more of a demonstration with it.
At 20 knots with gusts to 25 knots. Becoming east 20 to 25 knots with gusts to 35 knots. Seas 6 to 7 feet. Building to 7 to 9 feet after midnight. A chance of showers through the night. Showers likely after midnight. Marine forecast. Tangier Sound and inland waters of Bloodsworth Island. Small craft advisory in effect through Tuesday morning. Tonight, northwest winds 15 knots with gusts to...
Well, okay, everybody. There you go. There is a video of my AM FM National Weather Service radio here. I hope that you all have enjoyed the video. Hopefully, it'll either be tomorrow or it'll be sometime this week when I can get the other radio that I have on video if I'm not busy. So, well, that's it. I hope that you all have enjoyed. Put in comments, like, subscribe, and I will catch you later. Bye-bye.